Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily send a link to a conference from the Zoom app in Telegram. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to put your likes under this video and write comments after watching. And let's get on with it and get started. First of all, you're going to need to go to the Zoom app and then start the conference. After that, the conference will be started and everything in it will load. It will take a few seconds. Next, you will need to click on the Participants option at the bottom. Once you have selected Participants, on the bottom left, click on Invite. Scroll through the menu that you'll see and select the Copy Link option here. Great! Now friends, you will need to log out of your Zoom conference. You can just swipe the screen so you'll stay in your conference and you can interact further with other social networks. Now go to Telegram. Choose the chat you want, either group chat or private chat. And then click on the message bar and hold it down. And you'll be able to see the word paste here, or you'll be able to see that link on the clipboard. Once you've pasted the link, send it. And as you can see, you'll have this clickable active link to your Zoom conference. And the person, when they get it, they can open it and go to your conference. That's how you can very quickly and also easily send a link to a conference in the Zoom app and Telegram. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put likes under this video. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.